Welcome to lesson 1.6. This is our final lesson for unit 1 in geometry, so yay. So let's get to it. So we've talked about angle bisectors that cut an angle in half, and now we're going to talk about perpendicular bisectors. So perpendicular bisectors are lines. So when that happens, so when CD cuts it perpendicularly, so it's a perpendicular line, then a few things happen. These two angles are right angles. So this is a right angle and this is a right angle. So angle CDB is 90 degrees. And angle CDA is 90 degrees. So that's the first thing. Perpendicular means they intersect at a 90-degree angle. So for it to be a perpendicular bisector, those have to be 90 degrees. So then two other things happen. When it's a perpendicular bisector, AD and DB are equal. So AD equals DB. And then there's one more thing, that from A to C is the same thing as C to B or B to C. So A to C is equal to C to B or BC. Okay, so those two distances are the same. So those are the relationships that we're going to be working with perpendicular bisectors. So sometimes you're going to have to solve for x. So for example, for this one, CD is a perpendicular bisector. So you know these two pieces are equal and then these two pieces are equal. Okay, the tally marks just show you what's equal to what. So then it tells us AD, so right here, is 2x plus 15 and DB is x plus 20. Solve for x. So we know that AD equals DB. So AD is equal to DB, so we can do 2x plus 15 equals x plus 20. So now we're just solving for x, so I'm going to subtract x on both sides. So I have x plus 15 equals 20, so x equals 5. Ta-da, that is solving an equation. So it's really just setting up. You use the geometric relationship that it gives you, so a perpendicular bisector, and then you're solving. So let's go to the opening part. So if CD is a perpendicular bisector of AB, find the following measurements. So when it's a perpendicular bisector, we know AD and DB are equal. So DB is going to be 2.7, and AD is also 2.7. It already gave us that. But I'm looking at CA. C to A is the same as C to B, so C to A is going to be 13. Okay, so now let's go to the second one. So CB is congruent or equal to CA, so it's going to be 40. AD and DB are equal, so AD is 3.4. And then AB is 2 of them because it's the whole thing, so that would be 6.8. Okay, so again, when you have a perpendicular bisector, the angles are 90 degrees where they connect, and then the distance from the points to the middle are equal. Okay, so let's solve for x. So CD is a perpendicular bisector of AB. If AD is 5x, and DB is 120. Solve for x. Well, I know these two are equal. So 5x equals 120. So we're going to divide by 5, and x equals 24. Okay, so now let's go to the next one. CD is a perpendicular bisector of AB. If AD equals 3x, so 3x. AB is 27, so the whole thing is 27. C to A is 12, and C to B is 6y. They want us to solve for x and y. So remember that CA and CB are equal, so 6y equals 12, so y is going to equal 2. Okay, now let's look at this one. We know AD and DB are equal, but that does not mean that AD equals AB. 2 of AD equals 27, so or equals AB. So then that's 2 times 3x equals 27. So 6x equals 27. So x is going to equal 4.5. So that's it for lesson 1.6. Bye.